How to Say You're Sad in English. An article by H.J. Meach. Everyone will have to go through a sad event in their life at some point in time. So, if you're ever feeling blue or sad, here are some expressions you can use. When people get sad news, they might have been so sad that they cry their heart out, or cry for a very long time, or they could just feel sad and say they have a heavy heart. For example, you could say, when my best friend moved away, I cried my heart out, and since then, I've had a very heavy heart. Some say that the idea of a heavy heart might have come from old Egyptian stories that said the gods would weigh your heart when you die to see if you should go to heaven. Thousands of years ago, the Egyptians believed that all thoughts and emotions came from the heart. If someone or something makes a person feel so bad that they start to cry, then you could say they have been reduced to tears. Or, if something makes a person feel so sad that they can no longer behave normally or they lose control of their emotions, you could say they have fallen to pieces. For example, his comments reduced me to tears. They were so mean. I fell to pieces in front of my friends. This is Teacher Riza, and thank you so much for reading with me. I hope that this video will help you in improving your English skills. Please like and subscribe for more additional videos. See you again!